Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our little bird session-y vloggy thing we're doing right now over on YouTube. Hope you're good, everyone. If you haven't checked back, guys, we've got a website. It's aviaryguru.com. We've also got a Twitter and Instagram and all that good stuff. It should be down below in the description of this video. Guys, if you don't know, we're just doing a little vlogging series about our daily antics with our birds and what our birds are all like, what our birds are all about, that sort of thing. But as you can see today, we're just going to leave it recorded. I'm not going to change anything, okay? I'm just going to I'm not going to edit nothing like that, so prepare for some shaky videos. We do edit videos and stuff like that, but these vlog series, they will take far too long. It will take me all day to edit and put my little bits and bobs over. So yeah, guys, so if you don't know, we're sort of hobbyist breeder. I've kept birds for years, literally years and years. We've got all different types. We've kept parrots before and conures. We've had pineapple conures and green cheek conures, black capped conures. We've had African greys. We've had all sorts. You know what? Some of my favourite birds were cockatiels, and I'm yet to get a pair of those. I have a nest box waiting upstairs just for them, but we don't have any as of yet at the moment. So I'm going to be changing some feeders, and I'll leave all those millet sprays because the zebras like to use it in the nest boxes. So we're going to be just changing some feeders over. There's some crest down there that needs changing over. We've got some nice new shiny crest. So yeah, they all just need a bit of work. So we're just going to have a chat while we're going along our little daily job video, if you like. I've already hoovered the floor, so one in here. Hoovered the floor, hoovered there, because you know what birds are like when they eat millet sprays, when they eat millet sprays, they get them everywhere. All the husks go absolutely everywhere. So as always, we do have dogs, so excuse the dogs, okay? I'm going to have to flip the camera around so I can't really see you guys at the minute, so I'm hoping that you can see me still, okay? We're just going to try and wing it a bit because, we're just going to try. I hope you guys and girls are good. We were doing this series purely because we do this every day, and I thought, we never put out any videos, so I might as well just put out some videos on what I do every day. If you guys are thinking about keeping birds out there, excuse the hair. If you guys are thinking about keeping birds out there, you need to think, oh, what goes into keeping birds? Is it hard? Does it take a lot of maintenance? They do, but if you keep on top of them, it's easy, guys. It's actually easy, so if you keep on top of them. We're getting the husks off the top of the food lot right now. You don't want to just hoover up all the food, you just give it a little shake and you get all the husks on top. You can get machines that do this for you, and then you're not wasting seed. You're good to go again. We're going to fill it up anyway, but I mean, this is a mixture of plain millet, Budgie tonic, and it's also got some canary seed in there as well. So the Budgie and canary will do the Finches, so we just buy that and I'll just mix it all together. And then we have white Chinese millets. You put that on the floor because Budgies love feeding off the floor. If you didn't know that, they do, they love it. But we also have to provide many stations and many different areas. Excuse the poop and stuff. You have to provide many stations and many areas for birds to feed, so they're not all fighting over one. If you're just all birds over there, there's lots of fighting. You normally get one or two dominant birds that just absolutely love, doing all that. So it's nice. Look, it's old. Nice. Thank you. And this. You wait 2 seconds. That is like a buffet for a canary. You wait 2 seconds. Watch. If I put that down. Oh, I'll get my swing feeder out first. Thank you, guys. Let's do the swing feed. Let's do this millet grab here as well. There we go. Thank you, guys. This is why it's best to have a double door system, guys. So there's one door and a door. That's the outside world, so we don't want them there. But come on, go back in, guys. Always one of them doesn't want to go back here. Come on. There you go. 2 seconds, okay? Literally 2 seconds, you just watch. Literally leave you guys there. Can I put you there on something actually? can't rest you down, guys. What about on that? Yeah, that will work. There. I'll leave it there just for 2 seconds while I fill up this string feeder. The canaries are looking at it. They're looking at it right now. I absolutely love that crep, you know. It's the cheapest thing. I think it costs like 35 pence or something. UK money. Our good friends across the pond, I think that's about 40 cents. Not a lot. I don't know where you get cress over. Well, you would get cress. I mean, whether you give it to your birds, I don't know. But yeah, we must provide them with lots of different stations and lots of different places that can. Yeah, see, look, one's on it now. If I wasn't in it, they'd all be down there. Budgies, everybody. Yeah, we try not to breed in our little aviary at the minute. We do provide nest boxes in case they want to roost more than breed, but we've got enough light on. We've not been very successful in our aviary breeding really, so next year we're going to give it a miss. We're not going to do that. We're just going to get the boxes back for about 5 months of the year in the breeding season. Then after that we're just going to just do it naturally, really. Split them up, put them in the boxes, keep the pairs separate if you like. So yeah, I told you to be on it, guys. I love that stuff. Absolutely love it. So I'm just winding our milk spray at the minute. Could leave you guys like that. We just walk. That would actually be a good video in itself, guys. That would actually be a good video. Well, they're already in there, look. I'll move you now. They're funny. Funny birds. I'm not going to edit these, guys, as always. I'm not going to edit these videos, so hopefully you like them and they're alright as they are. I've just wound some milk spray onto this little hanger. So I'll go ahead and sit you guys down. And there you go. Hopefully you'll be able to see a bit of something. So you must always provide greens for your birds. I got told off a while ago because I feed mine iceberg lettuce. Apparently that's no good for them, but no beneficial, but no sort of benefits. But I was like, well, it's good enough for humans. There you go. If it's good enough for humans, it's good enough for us. So I thought it was good enough for us. Canary again. Go on. He's a pest, that canary is. Get back in your little hole. We had some great name suggestions yesterday. Love of Pets, I think it was. Thank you so much. So cool. I always watch your videos as well, by the way. I know I've only recently subscribed, but I always check out your videos. You must go and check her out, man. Actually, a brilliant keeper of pets. Let's have a little check on our birds here today. If you don't know, guys, we've got 3 chickies, little budgie chicks. Excuse the dogs outside. There they are. We got them out yesterday. We were trying to sort of handle them. They were attacked by that bird in there. There's a bird in there that attacked them. So, but technically, if we handle them like, you know, a couple of times, if we handle them, then we do have some fantastic names. They elude me at the moment, so I can't quite remember what they were. I'm so sorry. But thank you for the name suggestions. Actually amazing budgies. I can't wait till they grow up. That one there is the prettiest. Hey, you're grumpy. My little one. Oh mate. No, they want to burrow. That's what budgies do best is but ow. 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 Thank you so much. If that was guys and girls, if that was a parrot you would have no arm left. So our budgies are fine today. Let's put them back. Listen to them. It's that yellow one, she's grumpy, you know. We should call her grumpy. She's actually, listen to her go, listen. She doesn't like that at all, does she? So yeah, so we've got 3 baby budgie chicks at the minute. In fact, while I take that off there, I'll fill up that aviary feeder with this seed and then I'll mix all the seed together. I'll buy it in different bags and then mix it all together. I buy it from Haith's in the UK. So Haith's, if you're watching and we want to do like a partnership thing, that'd be cool. I like that. Just fill this up. Or just put some in every day. This little thing's meant to catch all the seeds, all the husks. It never does, ever. It really doesn't. I do put some egg biscuit in there. I use EMP egg biscuit. This is We don't want to get them breeding, but if they choose to do so, it's good for the. It's just good for them. It's got hemp seed in there. It's got loads of different types of bits and bobs, but it's really good for them. We'll put that one just there. Yeah. We've also got sand and grit and oyster shell and all sorts of good stuff in there. What else do we need to put in there? A swing feeder. That's it. It's only an outdoor one for like wild birds. I picked it up at like a little boot sale. It was really good. They never like you putting it back in there, as you can tell. Thank you. I think that's about it, you know. Well, let's put our budgie chicks back. There we go. Okay. Hey guys, have a look. So at the minute we have feed on the floor, the crest buffet. There's actually an old broccoli that I leave over there because one of the budgies blew outside. He's our biggest budgie. He absolutely devours that thing. Just leave it. So. And all those millet sprays there, they're for the zebras. Little zebras put them in the nest boxes and stuff. So yeah, swing feeders fed, new millet sprays. They'll love that. Nest boxes, topped up with food, more food for the feeders on the floor. Whenever you've got chicks, guys or girls, you must always put a bit of something on the floor because obviously, first things first, they pretty much when testing flight out and stuff, they always fall down. Well, not always, but most of the time. Just got a handful of this. This is that kale. Yesterday's kale. It's really good, but I just put a bit on the floor. I know it looks a mess, guys, but most of this is like bits of seed from that, what's it there? The diamond doves get in there and I'll just shoo it all out. So yeah. So there we are, I've got feeder up water there, there's some iodine block crunched up in that one, there's a full iodine block over there, and underneath that is some cuttle bone, and there's our lovely dogs outside, so there we go. This isn't pretty much a daily thing, I'll do this. I'll hoover it out about once a week properly. I'll do it every day, but hoover it out, I have a little scraper. It's a wonderful job, as you can imagine. So we help that, that's great. So there we go, ladies and gents. As always, my friends, if you like the video, be sure to hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe button. We'll be popping out more of these videos. If you do like our content, I love making these videos for you, and I love answering any questions. I do questions and answers like a little mini series I was doing. So if you have any questions, I'll always answer them, and I answer them as fast as I can. I never leave you guys more than a day, ever. Thank you. But yeah, thank you as always for all the comments, likes, loves, and everything else, man. I'll see you guys soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.